Hello viewers, this is HMKAWSER. Welcome back my another video. In this tutorial I am going to tell you how to use two WhatsApp account on your Android device. Before starting this video I will ask something for you. Please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. Let's start. To install two WhatsApp app your Android phone. First, if you see all this video must be helpful. First open your Play Store. When you Play Store, type into your Play Store application. Click here. When you click, you also find and see search bar, top right search WhatsApp business. You see WhatsApp business. Click into here. When you click here, you also install. After then you open. Click into the open option. When you click here, you also see this option, agree and continue. Tap into the continue. When you continue, you also see this your country code and contact number. Enter your contact number. When you enter your contact number, after then press next. When you press next, you also see this verification and press continue. When you press continue, you also see this your profile name. Enter your profile name. After then you also see this category. You select your account category. Scroll down, you have choose any number. After then you press this option next. When you press next, your account has been installed. You must be helpful in this video. Please subscribe and bell also in this video. Thanks for watching my video.